Work has already begun in Rome to prepare the city for the Jubilee of 2025. Roads are closed, detoured traffic and heavy machinery fill the surroundings of the Vatican, specifically the area near Castel Sant'Angelo. One of the main projects is planned in this area. The goal is to make it into a pedestrian square and allow cars to pass underneath it. The next step will be to pedestrianize the street leading from the square, the famous Via della Conciliazione. There are over 100 works planned all over the city. Although the Italian government has facilitated procedures and funding to carry out the works as soon as possible, it has taken several months for action to begin. There are also several projects that have been modified or blocked.